name is Gemma. Have you ever worried about natural disasters?
We know we can help with that with the robot.
The robot's name is Snowy.
Snowy can recycle. She can also sense natural disasters to tell everyone that a natural disaster is coming.
She can warn everyone that it is coming so people can protect themselves from getting hurt.
Snowy is controlled by a high-tech controller just built for Snowy.
Snowy is very helpful. She also has a trash compactor for when she recycles.
Inside, she makes the trash go into square, kind of like Wally in the movie. And then she puts it into a recycling bin.
That is so cool, right?
Now, don't you think this is the best robot ever?
So hi guys, we're going to explain to you what all the stuff on Snowy is.
Right here are Snowy's earmuffs. They can sense natural disasters.
And then over here is her trash compactor. She takes all the stuff she can't recycle and then she puts it in here, and then after it comes out, but then all the trash is in the can.
Over here is Snowy's alarm. The alarm can sense natural disasters if Snowy can't hear them with her earmuffs.
And then over here is Snowy's phone, and it notifies the user of Snowy that natural disaster is in their area.
And that's all for today. Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.